Very good afternoon to you, Honorable. Can you tell the viewers who you are and why are you here at the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nicola Watson. I am currently the sitting constituency MP for Bulawayo Central constituency. When I went yesterday to check my name on the voters roll at my polling station, which has been my polling station ever since I moved to my house in 1987 at Christ the King, I discovered my name was not on the roll, despite the fact that 4 persons who live with me, one of whom is a relative, are actually still on the voters roll. So I then checked on *265# and it told me it could not find my details. So this morning I came to the ZEC offices. I first of all spoke to Mrs. Coupe, which was a dead end. I then went and checked on the master roll, the BVR roll. My name is there correctly, with all my details correctly filled out. I'm yet to establish what step to take next. I still have my original blue registration slip, which is the certification of registration as a voter from when we registered for BVR.
So, Honorable, why do you think all of a sudden the names are missing? Because quite a number of people, as you see outside, hundreds of people.
I would hesitate to say it's dishonesty just yet. Perhaps gross incompetence. It's also, it's my opinion, that you have 2 complex systems. So you're running the BVR system where people are actually registering. You're then somehow transcribing those names onto a different kind of a roll. You also have mountains, if you look in these offices, of physical paperwork, of people registering, people transferring, and all these other issues. I think that actually therein lies the problem.
Suppose the president proclaims elections, that means you can't contest because if your name is not in the voters' roll.
Exactly. But so the recommendation of many is to re-register. But that effectively, if you know you're a registered voter, is actually dishonest because it could be seen as trying to double vote, double register. And I'm reluctant to do that.